Kwatha Village Secretary Laishram Sanjoy Maitai expressed discontentment over the statement made by Chief Minister N. Biren that the houses gutted in Kwatha, Khunou were abandoned houses. Speaking to the media at the Thangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club, Sanjoy said Kwatha village, situated in the easternmost corner of the state, is a very peaceful village. The villagers of the Kwatha Khunou relocated themselves to Kwatha Kulen, fearing attacks from rival communities after violence hit the state. Unfortunately, on Sunday night, we received a call informing us that a fire broke out at Kwatha Khunou. On hearing the news, a handful of villagers went to take stock of the situation when they came across 3 unidentified armed persons torching houses in the village, alleges Sanjoy. Refuting the claim made by Molfai village, the houses caught on fire owing to escalation of a forest fire, Sanjoy termed the statement misleading. Sanjoy raised his suspicion on the possible involvement of Molfai villages. There are no other villages nearby Kwatha except Molfai and Bongyang, he added.
Kwatha Khunou haibasi yamna peace pamjaba aduma village abani haiba numisigi nungdang sida khoi Kwatha khunjaba na phone tawre Kwatha Khunou du chumaina mai chai khole hana ado aina mongonda hangmane kamain tawraga sak pano khopno hai matamda mol phai gi ningthongna phone tawre noi khunje akhoi laifam ama leibado adudagi lamaina saaga laaga mai chak hawre akhoi da kan mangamdre na hai na khran chal yeng matamda sakhangdaba moi ahum khakna mai thara lerame moi ubudagi siendre na haire jaga du atopa khunamta leibinate mol phai haiba mo bongyang haiba khun ani khak lei Haiba Kunje, Hoki Kungatani, Sida Taduris, Moinatana, Amta like the Isati Hajani. Adana, me later by you might have an Habigano, Lady Bayum the Hoyam Belu in the Kale, at the Mayan Lana, Hogi, May Taramatunga, the Mayan Sandovis at the